What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of JD Cars. If you're new here, please go check us out at jd-cars.com. Follow us on Instagram at jd.cars, and please be sure to subscribe for more content. So I'm in the Jeep right now, as you can tell. If you couldn't tell from the white hardtop, you can probably tell from the whistling light bar, and I'm sorry for that, but I am really excited. We have a really exciting episode today. The boys and I are headed off to explore a new off-roading spot. We're gonna go to our typical spot 10-15 minutes away, which I have yet to actually show you guys. I'm sorry for that, but that will come on another day. But we decided to go off on an adventure, and we're embarking right now on an endeavor to get into this big open sandy watery like off-roading paradise up in Salisbury, Mass. So I've got my buddy Mitch behind me in a white hardtop. See if my camera will focus in. We got Mitch behind me in a white hardtop, and then Jackson back there in his gray Willys. We got a ways to go. I'm really excited. For those of you wondering, I'm on 37-inch tires, a 4-inch long arm lift from Rough Country Suspension Systems, and surprisingly, I'm still on stock Dana axles with stock gearing, 6-speed manual transmission, of course, and she scoots along just fine with the stock gearing. I do want to get some locking diffs and probably, 488 gearing in here. She should do just fine today. I'm really excited. I'm gonna put the camera down, focus on driving, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we are now in Salisbury. We're probably about, 4 minutes out now. Just got off the phone with my buddy Matt. Huge shout out to Matt. He gave us some intel on where to enter. We happen to be going to the right place to enter this little mud hole off-road place. But thank you, Matt, for the helpful advice. My hair looks whack right now. But yeah, still got Mitch and Jackson behind me. We're gonna pull up there momentarily, so keep you guys updated. Alright folks, we just got here. Jackson and Mitch are taking the lead. Mitch is in the white hardtop, Jackson over here in the gray. Looks like we got a Yukon XL over here on the right. Luckily it does not look like a cop. Never been here, I'm excited. And yeah, let's get after it. Coming up on some pavement here. Not sure what's going on over here. Trail closed, do not enter, under construction. That's usually not a good sign. Jackson's already getting after it. Pretty sure that was another trail, like a bike trail or walking trail. Don't think we're quite out of commission just yet. Oh, I want to disconnect my front sway bar. Well, maybe I won't get ahead of myself quite yet, but if we're doing some wheeling back here, I definitely want to disconnect it. Oh, we're doing some wheeling, guys. Oh my gosh, this place looks sick. Oh yeah, we're throwing up some mud, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hell yeah! Jackson's kicking her in 4 low. About to rip up this puddle. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, I'm gonna disconnect my front sway bars. Super easy with the Rough Country lift kit. They come with quick disconnects right here. So I'm gonna do that real quick and we'll get to having fun. Oh, listen to that mud. Damn, things are getting slippery. Feels like I'm going through a corn maze right now. Guys, look at all this water flowing back in here. Oh, I don't know if Mitch is gonna go through there. Looks pretty deep. He's sending it. Oh boy. Oh boy. He's backing out. Uh-oh. Looks like he's gonna try the right side. Too much for? Oh yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. I think you got it. Keep her moving, keep her moving. Keep the momentum. Oh my gosh. I don't know about that next one though. It looks like a lake. Dude, you got that. You're way out of the water. No. Yeah, dude, you have like 2.5 feet till your hood. You got that by a mile, you're fine. Yo, you're good. Oh yeah. Damn, that was scary. Dude, you were scared, dude. You're so much farther out of the water than you think. Really? Yeah. Whew. Oh my God. Mixing in a little woods action here. A little woods mudding. Boys are getting after it. Woo. Got some nice rock crawling, little rubber crossing here. Oh, that's awesome.
Alright, I'll pull up and then you pull out. Yeah, you can put out.
Up to the bumper. Alright guys, just came up on a lake. Gnarliest off-roading I've ever done. This is nuts. Crazy boy says he's gonna take a bath here in the lake. See how this goes. Oh my god. Psycho. Absolute psycho. Well guys, this is officially the craziest shit I've ever done in the Jeep. Everybody's flexing. Mad flex right now. Really nice day out on the boat here in Salisbury. Beautiful day.
What are you thinking?
Thinking this is fucking awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video there. Huge shout out to Jackson and Mitch for coming out with me, just having a ball and helping me film here. I've had a blast testing out our Wrangler here on 37s and the 4-inch rough country long arm lift kit. Had an absolute blast on the water here. Never taken the Jeep through anything like this before, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go smash that like button. Leave future Jeep video suggestions down in the comments below. Please subscribe for more Jeep content, and I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.